What is going on, guys? Matt over at Easy and Auto Spot. We're in our Athens shop today, and I had to show you guys. This was just too unique to not share with y'all. We've got a 1986 Jeep CJ7 that is just flat out bad to the bone. It is an awesome Jeep. This client has spared no expense. They've gone all out on it, and they're in for some work with us today. This thing's got everything custom from the ground up. The paint's been restored completely. It's in today. We're doing some ceramic coating. We're gonna do some paint correction on it. It's got Dana 44s up under it. It's got fully powder coated underneath. It's got a 5.3 engine under the hood. Obviously, this thing's a beast. It's a monster. And if you're a Jeep owner, you know that this thing is just super rare. This customer came in today. We're gonna do paint correction on all of the exterior paint. We're gonna do ceramic coating. We're gonna use CSU, which is Crystal Serum Ultra. It's the best of the best ceramic made by Gtechniq. We're gonna be doing that on all the painted surfaces. Then we're gonna be protecting the glass. Then we're gonna be protecting the interior so that if they spill coffee or get moisture or anything on it. But on this one, we're actually going above and beyond. We're gonna do everything inside the engine bay. We're gonna be doing all the powder coating up under it. We're gonna use C1 ceramic coating, which is a little bit better for heat resistance in warmer areas. It's also a lot easier to apply into some tighter areas. This car is gonna basically be an off-road monster when they leave here. We can't wait to show it to you. We wanted to just show you guys kind of what we're doing to it. If you've got a project at home, whether it's a brand new vehicle that you're wanting to get built up or something that you're restoring, bring it into us. We can really assist with this process. When this car leaves, it is gonna be one of a kind, and they're gonna be able to use it immediately, drive it to work, drive it on the weekends, have fun with it. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.